Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Steven from Steven Universe. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw Steven here, and to begin we're going to start out with his eyes, and it's just basically two egg shapes. I'm going to draw one, just leave a little bit of space, and then draw another one on the side. And then to finish up the eyeballs, inside right here, I'm just going to draw another small, or much smaller egg shape. And then I'll just shade that in. Okay, so those are his eyes. And then he's got a really funny looking nose. So just come to the side right here. Just a little angle like this. And then just two little dots inside. Okay, and then from here we're going to draw in his mouth, and then we're going to be giving him a big smile. So just come down right here. One curve, and then now on the corner here, just draw one big bracket coming down. And then whatever space you have here, just connect it with a curve. Okay, and then for his teeth, really easy. Right in the middle, we'll just draw in one line first, and then just come over two more lines. Okay, so that's his face, and then now let's finish up the head. So right from the eye, just come across. Just gonna draw two lines like this first, kind of like a bracket around the eyes, and then on the top here, we'll just curve. So this is gonna be the hairline. And then on the side here, just one big bracket. Okay, so just pretty much the same as this, just a little bit bigger. And then now on the bottom, same thing, just curve it and close everything off. And then right here for the eyebrows right here, just draw two lines like this first, right over the eyes, and then just bracket up. Okay, so this part's gonna be black, and then for his ear, alright, and then for his hair, just come to the center here, just come up, and then we're gonna come all the way here. So just one big curve this side first, kind of like right over this area. Same thing on the other side, so just kind of hook it in. And then now this one's gonna go all the way down past his ear. So just another big clump. And then lastly right here, one more. This one's gonna go right behind the cheeks. Alright, so let's come down and draw his body. So we're gonna come down from here. You make two little marks right here. So this is gonna be kind of like the armpit area. And then we just curve it out. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit wide on the bottom. And then we'll just close it off, just one curve all the way around. And let's draw in the shoulder on this side first, because I'm going to give him the peace sign here with his hand right over here. So right here, just come up, curve, and then just kind of tuck it in, so that's going to be the shirt. So starting out with the hand right here, just start right here, right underneath the armpit. Just draw one big curve, and then just kind of curve it back in. So this is going to be his thumb. Okay, so once you have this, you're going to draw one of his fingers. Just go up. And then come back down toward the thumb. So that's one, and then one more. Curve up. Let's come back down again toward the thumb. Alright, and then for his other fingers, this one's going to curve and then just kind of come around. You know, these are really tricky curves. One more right here. Okay, and then to finish up the palm right here, I'm just going to continue with this curve. Just kind of hook it toward the middle right here. So that's one and then one more. So we start right here, just curve, just connect it to that finger. Alright, and then to finish off the shoulder, so right around here, just draw one curve connecting to the hand. Okay, so let's draw in let's go ahead and finish up the star right in the middle right here on his shirt. So just one curve first. And then right here, just come out, come back down right around here. So just imagine like a slant right here. Okay, slant right here. Now come down to the center right here. Then one more or two more. Alright, and then now for his legs are very easy. Just come down the center right here. Just draw one line. We'll start on the side right here. We'll continue with this. This is going to be his legs coming down. Okay, so here's the center. Just come over a little bit. Come down and then just close it off with a straight line. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. Come down. Again, here's the center. Let's come over. Close it off, and then let's add in, looks like this guy's pants folded up here. Alright, and then two lines in the center. Okay, so now we can draw in this arm because it's kind of go behind the legs right here. Okay, so for this one's easy. We'll just kind of tuck it in on the back here. So just curve down, all the way down, and then just close it right behind the legs. And then for his fingers, we just draw a couple of lines right here because it's folded back. Okay, so nice and easy. And then for his shoes right here, this part's a little bit tricky, but not too bad. So on the back here, just come down straight. Right here, go out, and then just kind of hook it down. And then we'll close off this shape first. Okay, so let's draw in the same shape, and then we'll draw in the details inside. So just come down. This one's gonna go out. Just gonna hook it down. Close it off. Alright, so now for the little toes and the sandal here. So right in the middle of this shape, just draw like a little egg shape on his side. So this is gonna be his toe. Okay, and then right here on this side, curve, two lines here, his other toes, and then right here, curve. I know it looks really weird. Okay, and then right here, just come up, just curve around the toe, and then go out. And then right here, just draw the same line as this. So this is one big strap. Okay, so let's try it again on this side. So right in the center, egg shape. From here, just go out, curve, and then we'll draw in two lines. And then again right here, curve going out. Right here, go up. So I curve around the toe. Another curve. And that is it for this Steven. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.